Hey, this is Jack from Victory Camera, and today we're going to be walking through shooting with a 4x5. A lot of people are intimidated by shooting large format, and I totally get that, but with just a little bit of patience and care, you can unlock a whole other side of photography and take some really amazing images. So to start off, you'll open up the camera. These fold up into themselves for travel, which is a really cool feature, but once you've got it open, you want to lock it in place, and then you're going to open your lens on the T setting so that it remains open while you're focusing. Once you've got your camera locked down and you've got it open, it's time to focus and frame. And you do that by looking through the ground glass on the back and extending or retracting these bellows. And this is why it's called a view camera, because you're seeing exactly what this lens is projecting onto the ground glass in the back. There's no mirrors or viewfinders involved. And because of the way that light is refracted through a lens, it'll actually be projected upside down on the ground glass, which is a little weird at first, but you get used to it pretty quickly. Once you have your shot focused and set up, you're gonna close the shutter, and then you're gonna take a reading with your light meter and set your shutter speed to whatever it tells you for your chosen aperture. Once you've got your shutter speed selected and your aperture selected, cock the shutter and it's ready to take a photo. So you'll take your film holder, insert it in the back, and remove the dark slide. It's extremely important to make sure that your shutter is closed before you put in the film holder, because otherwise you're going to be exposing your film to light. You've got it in there, you take the dark slide out, and it's ready to take a photo. You'll fire the shutter, put your dark slide back in with the exposed markings on the outside, and pull the whole thing out. So there you have it, that's shooting with a 4x5. This was a really quick walkthrough, but this is definitely something I recommend you try with your own hands to understand it. And if you want to get started with 4x5, head on over to victorycamera.com and check out our whole collection of large format stuff. We've got all the cameras, lenses, and accessories you might need to get started. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.